hide and seek is just child's play? That's not true! You'll do anything to win this prize! Betty declares the dangerous hide and seek challenge open! Wow, that's a lot of money! But only one person gets it. The person who will hide best and not be found to the very end. And the rest will be punished. Should we get started? The challenge starts now. Barbara and Candace decide to start on the second floor. The question is, where will they hide? Hey, why is it so slippery? Try not to break your legs. You didn't think it'd be that easy, did you? Of course! Betty set up a trap. Shower gel plus a laminate floor. Oh, I'm so smart! I wonder who's going to stand on that slippery slope. I can't wait! Sally and Charlie are looking for a hiding spot too. Maybe there's a good place in this room. What if we hide behind the curtains? Do you think it's a good idea? It's too obvious. It won't work. But why? Look, you can't see it all. Yeah, but your sneakers are sticking out. We can't win like that. I've got a better idea. Come on. But let's just leave them for a moment and see what Mary's doing. Unlike the others, she doesn't want to hide upstairs. She goes down to a small room under the stairs. No, it's too full of stuff. What do I do? Maybe there's a hidden corner in the kitchen. No, I'm not getting in that drawer either. So, what do I do? Oh, Barbara's falling for another one of Betty's traps. A styrofoam shower. Every door here leads to danger. Betty's got it all figured out. And she's attached a cup of styrofoam balls above the door by tying it to the door handle with fishing line. That's brilliant! But the worst part is, there is nowhere to hide. She has to think of something as fast as possible. Charlie and Sally are running around helplessly too. Hide behind the couch? That's ridiculous. Charlie, do you still think you can win the grand prize? You obviously won't see any money with a hiding place like this. Hey, don't write me off yet. Better try your luck in the garden. Hide in the trees? It's not a bad hiding place, but I couldn't blend in. There's got to be more options. Oh, looks like I'm in trouble. Ew, what is that? Another joke of Betty's. Leaving pieces of slime on the lawn is the best trap ever. Mary's desperate for anything, like hiding on the beach. How about climbing under a chase? What can I do? Another door with a trap behind it. This time, it's Sally's turn to suffer. Oh, it's just feathers. How cute! Another invention of Betty's. It's just a balloon with feathers inside, a pin, and some masking tape. Tape the pin to the door and attach the balloon to the door jamb. The door opens, the balloon pops. Mwahaha! And Mary seems to have a brilliant idea. But first, she needs to change. Now let's get a shovel and start digging. The hole is deep enough to hold Mary. Now she buries herself in the sand. She'd do anything to win. Hey, Charlie, can you bury my arms? I could use a friend's help too. And, as a final touch, a bucket over the head. Despite the slime, Charlie is determined. Oh, a sunbed! There was tape in my backpack somewhere. Let's try something. First, you have to climb under the chair. And now, here's the hardest part. Tape yourself to the chair. No, you can't do that on your own. Oh, Barbara can help. Yikes, you can't stay in that position for long. I think my body is getting numb. Anything for the challenge. Meanwhile, Barbara seems to have found the perfect solution too. Make a fake window out of printed pictures and hide behind it. That's an amazing idea. Here you go. Beautiful! Okay, Barbara is ready. It's pretty tight in here, but it's safe. But it looks like we forgot about Candace. She decides to try her luck in the bathroom. First, she has to blend in. White clothes are what you need. Done! Let's add some details. Hide the head, the feet, and the hands. All right, all you have to do is pretend to be a toilet with a matching accessory. Who else isn't ready yet? Sally! Maybe the closet? That's a bad idea. Oh, a clock. Something interesting is about to happen. Take some tape and a rubber band. Tape the rubber band to the back of the clock. And put it over your head. I look like Big Ben! Now you need to find a place to hide. One problem is you can't see anything. This rack could be a safe hiding place. Let's clear off any unnecessary items and stand behind the rack. Put the clock on the shelf and put on your fancy headgear. That looks good. Okay, time's up. All right, let's go. Ready or not, here I come. First, you need to check if they got caught in the traps. Well, of course. The traces of gel will get you where you need to go. Bathroom. Let's see who we got here. Looks like there is no one. That's weird. Oh, ew. Okay, what? Am I seeing things? No. That's the first find. Game over.
Oh.
There is no prize for creativity. But here's your punishment for losing. Chili pepper. Actually, chili juice. Candace will have to drink it. Oh, there's a fire in my throat! You should have been better at hiding. Betty keeps looking for the other contestants. There's no one behind the curtains. That's unexpected. Let's move on. Yep, balloons on the floor, so somebody's here.
Yay!
Barbara's one step away from danger. Hopefully she doesn't find me. You can't hide a fake window from Betty. Okay, well, that was just luck. Ta-da! Gotcha! It's time to pay the price. A soda fountain? Seriously?
Hey!
Coca-Cola is no big deal. Yeah, well, if you throw some Mentos in the bottle, it's different. Foam party! It's not very fun, but that's why it's a punishment. There is one thing Charlie didn't consider. He left evidence on the sunbed. Achoo! That was bad timing. Charlie, I can see you. Are you fully morphed with the lounge chair yet? Time to go. I have a very invigorating punishment for you. Diving into a pool of water is only half the challenge. And now, freezing rain. It's time to get frosty. Brr, so cold. It's a good thing it's summer. But Betty still has someone to look for in the house. The kitchen drawers seem empty. She needs to check the other rooms. Feathers! So, the bird's in the cage. The only question is, where exactly? Under the bed, maybe? Nope. Sit down. Take a look around. Ah! Here comes another find. A clock with a human body. Well, hello, Sally. Here's your punishment. Pulling nose hairs with tweezers. Give me your dial. That really hurts. Ouch! You were so mean. Okay, there is no time to mess around because we still haven't found Mary. Where did she go? There's not a single hiding place left in the house, so we should look outside. Let's look on the beach. It's weird. She's not here either.
Hey!
Well, where are you, Mary? Betty's already explored every grain of sand on the beach. Oh no, time's up. she'll have to announce the victory. Hey, come on out. You win. I'm here. Where? Under the bucket? Oh, wow. That's where you were hiding? It's a well-deserved victory. What can I say? Burying yourself in the sand. You were so talented. Woohoo! Did you like our challenge? Do you play hide and seek with your friends? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new challenges on Troom Select.